Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to cook Afang soup. For those of you who don't know what Afang soup is a vegetable soup that is originated from the Efik people of Efik Kingdom in Cross River State and Ibibio people of Akwa Ibom in southern Nigeria. It is a dish popularly known by Nigerians and also some part of Africa. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The ingredients I have for this particular Afang soup recipe is quite easy to get and very affordable. I got palm oil, stockfish, cow skin, periwinkle. You can as well use periwinkle in the shell. There is no problem about that. As a matter of fact, I have a video on the same Afang soup on my channel where I use the periwinkle in the shell. Alright, I will be dropping the link in the description box. Please do check it out. Next is chili powder. You can as well use Cameroon pepper if that is what you have, shrimp seasoning, salt, grounded Atama leaf. You can as well use Ukazi if that is what you have. But of a truth, Atama leaf gives the taste of the soup, that real Atama soup taste. Okay, I also got water leaf, which should be bigger than the Atama leaf. This is beef. You can as well use any protein of your choice. And lastly, I got blended crayfish. Since all the ingredients has been prepped, let's get into cooking. In a clean bowl, I will add the washed beef, cow skin, salt, shrimp seasoning, onion, just a little onion because this soup does not require a lot of onion, but because of the beef I have to add just a small onion. Next is to add water, a little water of course, and I will stir to combine, after which I will then add the stockfish and cover to cook until everything I added in the pot are tender, and that will take about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, all the proteins in the pot are very much tender to my taste. I will stir and then add the dry chili powder. You can as well use Cameroon if that is what you have, or any other pepper of your choice. I will also add crayfish and a little palm oil from the one I will be using. The remaining palm oil will be added lastly after adding all my ingredients to give my Afang soup that fresh palm oil taste. Alright, now I've stirred, I will cover to cook together for more 10 minutes. Please, lest I forget, if you are using periwinkle in the shell, this is the right time to add it as well, and also add a little water if you wish, but for me I will not be adding any water. The liquid needed in this soup will be provided by water leaf. Oh yes, yeah, this is 10 minutes later. I will open the pot, stir, and here I go in with the cut water leaf. Water leaf is big, right? Yeah, that is how it should be. Water leaf should be bigger than the Atama leaf so as to soften the Atama leaf. This water leaf, I squeeze it like 2 or 3 times to get rid of the slimy part before adding, so that there will be no excess water. Okay, once that is well stirred to combine, cover to cook for 30 seconds, just 30 seconds. Okay, and we'll get back to you. A minute later, I am back to check the water leaf I've just added, and this is totally good to add the blended dry Atama leaf, and I will be doing that gradually. That is one step at a go. Once that is done, I will add the remaining palm oil. To be frank with you, all this Atama soup require a huge amount of palm oil, but for health's sake I will minimize or reduce the quantity of palm oil I will be using. I am stirring everything to combine, as you can see, and the soup is coming up nicely, just the way it should. Yeah, next is to add the periwinkle, stir to combine. This periwinkle is cooked already, so we don't allow it to stay for a long time on the heat, and the vegetable as well don't need to overcook. I will cover to cook for just a minute. And here our Atama soup is ready, but before we call it a day, let's check and balance the taste. And the soup is so delicious. Oh yes, the soup is super easy to make, and that stands as one of my favorite soup to prepare for my family because of how easy and super fast it is. Oh yes, hope you enjoyed this video. You can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice, but for me, I am going to enjoy it with semolina. Yes, hope you enjoyed this video today. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload videos like this. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.